Hello, my name is Gonzalo Isaza, and I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of breakpoints in running steps. I have prepared for this demonstration a simple file which loops a given number of times specified in the parameters of the program and then just exits. It doesn't do anything applicable to a real-world application. I'll show here how the command line parameter is set to 20 so that it'll loop 20 times before exiting. Let's start executing. Here I set my counter to 20. I had already placed this parameter in the watch list so I can watch the value here on the left side. Let's close this part to concentrate on the value we really need. And let's say that I want to set a breakpoint here. I can set a breakpoint by clicking on the left side in the editor, and it'll toggle on and off as I click. I can also set and remove breakpoints using F9 or using the debug menu. Like toggle a breakpoint, I can remove it. Once I set a breakpoint, in the menu I can disable the breakpoint, or also using Ctrl F9, or I can right click on the line with the breakpoint and do it from the context menu. Now I'm going to use Ctrl F9. Very good. I'm going to go, and I'm expecting this breakpoint to stop execution. That's exactly what happened. Counter is set to 20. It's to be set to -1. I'm going to hit F5. It looped around. Now the counter is 19. It's around the loop, and it stopped here. I'm going to hit F5 or go here so you can watch it. Stopped again. Next loop. Next loop. I have a problem with this code when the counter reaches 5. So at 17, I want to go 12 times. It stops. So come here to the breakpoints window where it shows me the location of the breakpoint, print count, initial count, and condition. The count can be used to change about the times I want the execution to go through the code before stopping. I'm going to set it to 12, center. How did I change this code? Just click on it, the editor will come up, change it to whatever you want, and set it to 12 because I want it to go 12 times over this piece of code before stopping. It's at 17, so if it goes 12 times, it should be 5. Execute. 5. You could see how the current count was decreasing as execution went through that line. Now if I look at the output, it's going to show the value of the loop decreasing all the way to 5. That's how you can use the count feature of the breakpoint. The breakpoint also has a condition value that you can set. You don't know the count. You can set the count. Let's set the count back to 1. And let's say I want the count to stop when the counter reaches the value of 2. So I can come to the condition and place counter equals 2. This condition field, I can set any condition that is valid in an if statement in a batch file. Any valid condition will do. Now, run, stopped, and the counter is equal to 2. Then the condition came true. Now I'm going to mix the count and the condition. Let's say that I'm going to change my condition. Say I want to stop when the value is less than equal to 12. And in order to demonstrate this, I'm going to change the value of the counter by going to environment variables, clicking here. I'm going to change the value of the variable to let's say 25. I can set it to anything I want, 25. And I want it to stop 6 times the counter is less than 12. So 25, I'm expecting it to stop when the value reaches 6. 7. Go. Executing. The value is 7 because the variable is going to be set. So it stopped the 6th time the condition was true. This brief demonstration, I showed you how to set and remove breakpoints, how to enable and disable the breakpoint, to work with count, conditions, or both. I hope you have enjoyed the demonstration. Please look for other featured demos in our website.